Alright, it's snowing. I'm going to go over and get the dog. Bring her in because it's kind of cold. But, it just started snowing a couple hours ago and we have a whole crap load of snow. That's the inside of our house and that's the dog. That's Toby. See how much snow we got? I'm going to knock the snow off the canopy here. There we go. That's the hot tub. Knocking more snow off this way. But since you can't see it, I'll put the camera that way. This is excitement. Not for me, for you, the viewer. Alright. Now, I'm going to trudge through all the snow and go get the dog. And since you can't see that way, I'll let you see that way. You still can't see. So I'm going to shut her off.